Kunin namin yung bagahe. Wala pa. Wala pa yung bagahe. Dito na kami sa una kasi para mas madaling kunin dito. Oh. Ayan oh. Bungad. Bungad na kami. What can you say about the flight?
It's fine.
That... Ala.
What?
Okay. I thought it's upside down. Ano ba yun? Inside out? What can you say about the flight?